I don't want to give anyone anxiety, but before we know it, the holidays are going to be here, which means it's time to start shopping for the special people in your lives and the ones that happen to be beauty lovers. We got you covered here. Beauty expert Christina Gallardo is here in your red. You're ready for the holidays, aren't you?
Ready.
So you have a wish list and gifts that we can give to other people when it comes to hair and makeup. Were you kind of like jealous of getting things for other people while putting this list together that you want to get for yourself?
Yeah, it's like one of those things where I have more beauty products than I've ever used, but when you love it, you always want more. So it's fun to help pick out gifts for fellow beauty lovers like myself.
You know what? That's true. Sometimes it's even more fun helping other people spend their money than it is to spend your own. So let's get to those makeup lovers that are in our lives. What are some of the favorite things that you found?
So for the true makeup lover, Pat McGrath always blows her holiday collections out of the water. This year, it's the Celestial Odyssey collection. And from the packaging to the colors and the formulas, it's just like the holy grail of holiday makeup collections. Everything she makes is absolutely stunning.
Wow, and even the packaging is so pretty. What about someone who loves makeup, but they kind of want to keep it a little more natural, maybe not the metallics that we just saw?
So Nars is launching their Unwrapped collection, and the cheek and eye palettes offer options for pops of color and more neutral looks, and they offer both full coverage and tinted lip balm lip sets. So there's something for everyone, and the packaging is really super cute.
And then we have people out there who want to experiment with makeup, but maybe they're just a beginner, so they want a few natural staple products. What should they do?
So I thought this was a really cool idea. Merit launched their 5-minute morning kit. So it's the perfect kit for somebody like that. This kit is crafted with clean formulas and applicators that aim to help create a polished, luxe-feeling makeup look in literally just 5 minutes.
Yeah, not only that, that actually looks great for traveling, so you don't have to take your entire case of makeup with you. Per the usual, you thought of something for everyone. Definitely adding some of those to my list. Mom, I know you're watching. Just put them right there in my stocking. All right, when we move to the hair department, is there anything fun out there?
You know I love my hot tools. Kalisa launched their Perfect Pro Plus heated round brush. It's made for all hair lengths and types with bristles that glide through the hair to create lift, volume waves, curls, smoothness, all of it. I love it because it gives you that just left the salon blowout bouncy flip, and it comes in 4 different barrel sizes, so something for everybody. And then there's the Chi 3-in-1 hot smoothing dryer brush, and it provides professional blowout quality results with the smoothing power of ceramic bristles. So it gives you silky, smooth, frizz-free hair, and it comes with the technology of both a dryer and a hot brush. So you have everything in one easy step. And I was actually impressed with that because I have a lot of texture in my hair, and I was impressed with how smooth and soft my hair was when I was done using it. It really takes away the need for that flat iron after you blow dry.
I definitely need that in my life to start these mornings off here to get ready to be on the show in time. And then there's people out there that you maybe just want to get a little something. So do you have any cute stocking stuffer ideas?
So Tangle Teaser makes this small scalp exfoliator massager. It's such a nice little treat to use in the shower when you're putting on a mask or even on dry hair. The teeth feel so good on your scalp. I use it at night just to like relax. And then for those whose lips need a little love, whose don't in the winter months, 3 Ships lip treatment kit comes with a vanilla lip exfoliator and a buttercream hydrating lip mask. They smell like dessert and make your lips feel so soft and smooth.
Oh, wow. That lip treatment, that sounds delicious. It looks like food. All right, next week, we're going to bring you back for part 2 of our holiday gift guide. This time, Christina is going to be sharing some self-care tips for everyone out there. Thanks again, Christina. And of course, you guys, Christina here every week on Current. You can also follow her on Instagram at makeupbyChristinaG_.